Hey, hello everybody, my name is Jarrett. So, my goal was to make a tower defense game using Unity and C Sharp, and I used Visual Studio for C Sharp. So, for my design, I hand drew everything with Pixel, and I did not draw that. I'm not that good. So, for my program, I had a ton of different components and programs, but some of the main ones I used for if statements, I used randomize to spawn the enemies. I had rigid bodies, colliders. I had a canvas, basically just for text and images. And I had a lot more. And I also used a bunch of variables to control different things. So I tested it about a few hundred times. One problem I had was the cannon, which is one of the towers I have in my game, wasn't firing properly. So what happened was that I ended up having a clone, and then I would transport the clone over to where the cannon was supposed to be, and then I would transport the real cannon over to where the clone was, and then it worked properly. So if I had more time, I'd just add more turrets to the game and more enemies, because it keeps going on forever. So more enemies would just make it better, and then play.
Yes.
So, anyone want to do it?
Yeah.
Sure. Come on. Okay. I go after.
I don't think we'll have enough time.
Okay.
I love it. Just wait for it.
Yeah, just need a load of it. Okay, so right. I'll just show you the controls. Just let it go. It's too slow right now. Oh, there we go. So, you spawn a player right here, and each time you destroy an enemy gives you adds $10. So I have two towers currently. One of them costs 100, and one of them is 500. So then just press next level to go to the next level. And then as you keep going, there's going to be different enemies. And I don't know if you can see, but at the bottom here, I have lives. So right now, you already took 3 damage, and you have 10 lives in total. Just press next level to go to the next level.
Oh!
You don't find more towers in order to survive. You find your cannon.
Yeah, it's just you just drag it over the gun.
Oh no!
I know what to tell you on that. More cannon.
So yeah, basically, later on I just have more enemies. Level 10 is a boss, and then afterwards it just keeps going on endlessly.
Oh my god, the cannons are so dumb.
No, I think it'll work.
I think we'll stop playing now.
Alright, sure. So, you can, okay. Right, any questions?
Cannons so dumb.
Alright,
What's the hardest part?
the hardest part was probably the turret. Yeah.
What was another problem?
Another problem I had, let's see. Oh yeah, one of the times, basically my text wasn't
I
working.
see the piggy tower. Like how it's
Yeah, it's
Some
like
change
a,
it. Start yourself at $500.
when you make it cheap.
sure, I don't know if I can do
Zero
that.
tower.
Let me see. But one of the problems I had was the text wasn't working, and basically I just ended up making it invisible at first, and then when the time came, I just reset it to visible.
I wonder what the piggy does.
Alright, I'll just show you the piggy really quick.
Could you try the piggy? I
Yeah.
want to see how the piggy works.
So then I can just give myself a computer. Yeah, it's basically just a flamethrower.
Okay, so when I give him a round of applause.